One day, a young man made fun of the ugly heart of an old man while the young man's heart was still looking perfect. The old man replied, "Yes, yours looks perfect, but I would never trade with you. Each scar is for a person to whom I gave my love. I take a piece of my heart and give it to them, and often they give me a piece that fits into my empty space. But the pieces aren't exact. I have some rough edges which I cherish that reminds me of the love we shared. Sometimes I gave a piece of my heart without getting a piece in return. These are the empty cuts. Giving love sometimes means taking a risk. Even though these cuts are painful, they stay open, and they remind me of the love I have for these people, and I hope they will come back one day and fill the space. Do you see now what true beauty is?" The young man was in tears. He took a piece out of his perfect heart and offered it to the old man with shaking hands. The old man accepted it, put it in his heart. He then took a piece of his scarred heart and filled the young man's wound. It didn't fit perfectly. It had rough edges. The young man looked at his heart, no longer perfect but more beautiful than before, because he felt the old man's love flowing into his heart.